What's the meaning of Common Era? Common Era. Common Era.
Common Era. Common Era. Common Era is a term used to refer to the years after the birth of Jesus Christ, which is also known as the Christian Era or AD, Anno Domini. The use of Common Era is a way to acknowledge the global impact of Christianity and to provide a non-religious alternative to the traditional dating system. It is often abbreviated as CE and is commonly used in academic and scientific settings. Overall, Common Era is a widely accepted and inclusive way of dating historical events without religious connotations.